Hi boys and girls. This week's theme is sea creatures. Now today for art activity we're going to be making an orca whale. An orca whale is a black and white whale. Most of you should know what an orca whale is. Orca whales eat mostly seals, turtles, smaller fish, and sometimes they even attack sharks. So today for art activity we're going to be making an orca whale. Let's have a look at some of the things we're going to need. So what we're going to need is a stapler, a blue or green colored Cokie, pencil, Pritt, a plate that can fit onto paper, scissors, some white and some black paper. Let's begin. Right, using the saucer that we've got that can fit onto the page, we're going to take our pencil, we're going to trace around it. It's preferred that you use paper plates, but if you don't have a paper plate, that's fine. Both circles are going to be the same size. This is going to make up the orca's body. Next, we're going to make some squiggly lines to paste all over the orca's body. You're going to make 2 of these. Now you're going to need to make eyes. Let's make the eyes nice and big. Once you've used it for your eyes, let's color in the circle, not completely. Then with the pencil on the centerpiece, let's give it a pupil. Right, now using our second piece of black paper, we're going to be making the fins and the tail piece. It's best if you fold it in half so they can be exactly the same. The tail piece goes straight across, makes a beautiful curl, and then curls out like that again. The side fins, almost like a crescent moon. Now, once you've drawn all your pieces, what you're going to need to do is cut it out. Let's cut. Right, so now in front of us we've got our 2 circles, our beautiful blue eyes, our 2 little white squigglies, our tail that we cut, and our 2 fins. Now with the fins, what you can do is you can cut it down the center, so that will make 2 fins. You'll get 2 pieces. Now let's start constructing it. Using the black circle first, we're going to use our glue, stick our eyes down, two eyes, just like us, 2 eyes. Then we're going to stick our squigglies down. Remember, keep inside the shape. It doesn't matter if the shapes are exactly the same, they don't have to be. Right, once you've stuck your eyes and your 2 shapes down, turn over. Let's stick our fins. We're only going to need glue just on the one end. Glue on the one end, and you can stick it down. Then using the tip of the tail, we're going to stick it on. Let's stick it down there, and we're going to need to do a little more glue for when we paste down the white piece. Right, so your white circle we're going to put directly on top. Press down where the glue is and give it a bit of a staple. This is just to make sure that the pieces stick together. If you can turn over, it looks nearly like a whale, but not quite yet. If you take the one side, curl it in a bit, and then staple it down. Doing the next side, curl it in a bit, curl the black over. We staple it down. It is a bit tricky, so Mummy's going to have to help you. And we staple the next side down. And there you have it, your very own little killer whale. Let's have a look and see what yours look like as soon as you guys are done. Well done, everybody.